We're in Hong Kong, Win Expo Asia Pacific 2010. And standing right next to me is Hervé, and he's the new program director of the Wine MBA from BAM, the Bordeaux Business School. Hi, Hervé. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Hello, Tommy. Thank you very much.
Yes. And I met Hervé 2 years ago in Adelaide. What happened? Why you're in Adelaide and now you're in Bordeaux?
Oh, mainly because I have been working in Adelaide for about 5 years, and then working with Larry Lokshin and the wine marketing group.
Yes.
You know very well Larry.
Oh, yes, I know.
And so Larry is an expert in the wine marketing field, and then last year Bordeaux School of Management
yes.
contacted me and wanted to recruit me, so I accepted.
Oh, that's good. Actually, we went to Adelaide with a group of students from Hong Kong, and we attended the seminar. It was great. So now that you have changed the role from running a program in Adelaide, it's more Asia. How long you spent in Asia in Adelaide?
About 5 years.
5 years. So now you're moving back to France, and you're running a French program. What would be the significant difference you'll be facing now?
So first, I would say that yes, it's a program that is organized and delivered by Bordeaux Management School, but I mean it's dedicated to the wine industry and to international students. So yes, that's right that we do have lots of courses in Bordeaux, but we do also have courses in London with Jean-Philippe Peruti and Wine Intelligence. We also have courses in Davis, University of Davis, University of South Australia in Adelaide, as well as a few days in Hong Kong as well, because we also opened this year a collaboration with Hong Kong University Space, and we do deliver the Wine MBA in Hong Kong as well.
Yes, we understand the Wine MBA program already came to Asia, and it started in January with Hong Kong University Space. And how do you see those students? I heard you went to see them. How do you find this group of students, the first intake of the Wine MBA in Asia?
Look, I spent about a dinner first with them. On Saturday night, we went for a dinner. They invited me for the dinner, so it has been very good in the sense that they are quite involved with wine industry, and as well as wine degustation, wine tasting. So I remember that, I mean, we had about 15 wine to taste on Saturday night, so it has been very, very good. So I would say that it was a very good introduction with those students. And then on Sunday, so because we have course during the weekend, so on Sunday, I had a chat with them, first, of course, to introduce myself as a new academic director, as well as asking them, and I wanted, in fact, to have their feedback with regard to how things are going, and is there anything that we could change, improve, or keep going in the same way. And so it has been a very interesting meeting, and I would like to say that they are very involved, they are very engaged with this program. And that's very good because, I mean, I would expect those people to be the future decision maker for the wine industry in Asia and in China.
I think it's wonderful that you spend time to come and meet the new group of Wine MBA students in Hong Kong. And just now we was actually talking to someone from Hong Kong. He was considering whether he want to sign in the Wine MBA program or the Master of Wine program. So you may not need to answer me now, right? What do you think between the difference of having a Wine MBA and having a Master of Wine?
So, as you know, an MBA is also a master. That's a master in business administration.
Yes.
But I think that the key difference here would be that the wine MBA that we do offer in Bordeaux as well as in Hong Kong aim to create network within the wine industry with key people of the wine industry, as well as delivering high level of expertise with regard to the courses and with regard to the people who deliver courses in this wine MBA. So overall, and the other point is, of course, to deliver those courses in different locations. So we give an opportunity to the student to discover the US market, to discover the Australian market, to discover the Asian market with Hong Kong, as well as going to London and Bordeaux, of course. So again, that's a kind of international perspective that we do offer them. I suspect that that would be the key difference with the master.
Understand. Thank you so much. We're at this Hong Kong Win Expo Asia Pacific 2010, and this is Hervé from the BEM, BEM from Bordeaux. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you very
much.
much.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thanks.